All right, we know the wind is whipping up right now and the temperature's going down. Vanessa Murdock is here with your first alert forecast. Vanessa.
Yeah, and they'll keep going down all the way into the weekend, Dick. So a very cold start to the new year. Live outside, another beautiful picture for you. We can't get enough. 41 degrees, west winds at 18 right now. Feels closer to freezing. Your headlines, temperatures are dropping. The winds are powerful through tomorrow, gusting as high as 50. And hey, we've got some snow chances in the forecast as well. Here's a look at those dropping temperatures. Today's high was 51, but obviously that's in the rearview mirror. Tomorrow we'll have a high of 42. It will feel more like the 20s and 30s. Then Friday and Saturday, as we fall into the 30s, it will feel more like the teens and 20s. We do have a wind advisory in effect through 10 p.m. tomorrow night, again for the potential for those winds to gust 40 to 50 miles per hour. As far as precip chances are concerned, tomorrow just about a 10% chance of a stray snowflake northwest of the city. Not a big concern. Friday looking a little more interesting now. Maybe some snow showers passing by, leaving some minor accumulations. Saturday and Sunday, your forecast is dry. Then Monday, tracking more snow showers that might lead to some steadier snow, depending on how the pattern changes getting closer to that event. At present, skies are basically dry. Earlier today, we had some action northeast of the city, but now we're dry out there, partly cloudy tonight and windy. An exiting, strengthening low pressure and a strengthening high pressure to our west. It's what's really allowing those winds to ramp up. And on those winds, colder air is rolling in. So let's show you how it looks hour by hour. Your Thursday is essentially a mix of sun and clouds with powerful winds. And here's that 10% chance of a snowflake. No big deal. You should expect a lot of sunshine tomorrow and a lot of wind. For your Friday, more clouds are in play. And then as we go into the afternoon and early evening, here are those better bets of snow showers that could lead to minor accumulations. As far as what it feels like out there right now, another visit to this, because this is what it's all about moving forward in your forecast. Feels like 30 right now in Brick, 28 in White Plains, 30 in Greenwich. Tomorrow morning when you step outside, feels like 16 in Monticello, 24 in the Park, 23 in Freehold, and 22 in Toms River. Tomorrow's high temperatures, again, a mix of sun and clouds, strong breeze, gusts 40 to 50. 42 will feel more like the low 30s, and that 32 in Monticello could feel as cold as the teens. Here's your extended forecast. The numbers will continue to drop into the first weekend of the new year. Friday, it's 37. We're going to watch out for a little bit of light snow for some of us. Saturday, Sunday, the forecast is dry and frigid. And then for Monday, 33 degrees. And Dick is so excited because maybe we'll end up needing a snow shovel.
Oh, a shovel? No, that much?
I'm pressing it.
Well, all right.
Anyway.
But a little snow.
A little
see.
snow, yes.
All right. Very good, Vanessa. Thanks very much.